So about a week ago, I bought this simulator cable that I'm going to use with my DX6 to play simulators on my computer. It took about 8 days to get here. I bought it off eBay, and it was about maybe like $9 or something, pretty cheap. So basically, what you do is you plug the mono phone plug into the trainer port of your radio, and then it will automatically turn on. You don't need to turn the radio on. It actually won't work. It won't output any signal out of that cable if you actually turn it on. So you have to make sure that's off. So it's turning off, but it's actually still on. That means it's outputting a signal to this cable. And then there's a little circuit in there that turns it into a USB signal. And then that plugs into your computer, and then you can use it to play games that supports USB controllers. So if your radio doesn't have a 3.5mm mono phone plug connector on the back like the Spectrum does, it also comes with these other connectors. If you have like a different radio, like Futaba or JR or whatever sort of radio you have, so it's got a 3.5mm mono phone plug connector in there, and then you can basically just plug that in there, and now it supports this connector, so you can use any radio. Just make sure it's one of these three connectors. It's like this one, and this one. But I don't need the adapters because mine just uses this one. So it did take a little bit of setting up in my radio, for some reason the throttle channel didn't output to this. So what I had to do is I had to get one of my spare auxiliary channels, as you can see here, this switch up here, my aux channel up here. I had to make a mix so that when I put my throttle up, it would put the auxiliary channel up as well. So then I was using the auxiliary channel as a throttle channel. So and then that worked out well. But you also have to calibrate it in the program as well. So FPV Freerider is a really realistic quadcopter simulator. It's got an FPV mode and also a line of sight mode. You can change it for the stability of it. You can change it from acro mode to stability mode, or self-leveling. If you buy the full version, which I don't actually have at the moment, then you can change heaps more settings, and you unlock all the other maps. The free version just comes with Desert, which is what I've been playing with last night, and I'll also put the link in the description to where you can download it. You can get it on Mac, Linux, or Windows, which is good. So I hope you found this useful, and if you want to get this simulator, it's a really good simulator. All you need is a cable. You can also use just a dedicated USB controller like an Xbox controller, but I think using your radio that you're actually going to use when you fly your quadcopter is better because you get more used to it. So I hope you found this useful. Both of the links are in the description, so check that out, and thank you for watching, and bye.